I was sent this oral irrigator, also known as a water flosser. So I love the design of it. That black and gold is really, really pretty. It can sit flat on your countertop as well. Plus it comes with all these different tops and then your USB charger. So what you're gonna do is pick the one you wanna use. So I'm gonna go with this one right here. And then there's a hole up here. You're just gonna push it in. You're gonna hear a click. That's it. It's that simple. And then it does rotate 360 degrees. When you want to release it, there's a button right here. You push that and it releases. Without pushing the button, it's not going to release. And then this can be lifted up. It's really difficult to do with my nails, but you could lift that up and pour water in that way. Or the simple way, just twist it and it comes right off. And then you can pour the water in there. And then that's the pump that it goes up. Super simple right there. This is your on button. And then you have your different modes. So I didn't put water in it, but I'll give you a quick demo of what you would do. So you would just be going along your gum lines, and that would be spraying the water, and that would help with the water flossing. So pretty simple to use, and if you're looking for an oral irrigator, you might like this one.